Isa-serve natin siya guys ng 1 minute side para maging golden brown. Hindi na tayo naglagay ng mantika.
Yummy, 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 in my tummy. Yummy, 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 yum, yum, yum. Yummy, 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 in my tummy. Yummy, 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 yum, 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 yum.
Maganda kasi ito gamitin pag-alin.
Pancakes and waffles, toast with some jam, cereal or fruit, green eggs and ham. Yummy, 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 in my tummy. Yummy, 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 yum, yum, yum. Yummy, 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 in my tummy. Yummy, 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 yum, 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 yum.
Ito.
Smashed avocado and some grilled cheese, peaches and berries with a side of peas. Yummy, 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 in my tummy. Yummy, 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 yum, yum, yum. Yummy, yummy.
Lagyan muna natin siya dito. Kasi maya-maya maglagay tayo ng magigisa tayo ng garlic. Guys, magluluto tayo ng braised beef short ribs. Sinerd na natin siya. Ang ating ingredients ay black pepper, thyme, rosemary, carrots, garlic parsley, stewed tomatoes kasi wala tayong tomato paste, tapos yung ating Himalayan pink salt, at saka Jack Daniel na strawberry pans kasi wala tayong red wine. Yan ang ating alternative, okay? Luto na tayo guys. Igisa na natin ang ating onion at saka garlic. Ating carrots. Sigisa, konti. Ayan na natin ang ating stewed tomatoes guys. Ito ang ating spices, garlic at parsley. Thyme, ang ating rosemary. Ayun guys. Ang ating Jack Daniel fruit punch. Ayan guys. Then, pakuluin natin siya ng konti. Guys, lagyan natin siya ng ating sikretong pangpasarap, ang ating magic sarap.